What I want in my town is for there to be no noise after 10 p.m., especially on weeknights. If there's noise after 10 p.m. on the weeknights, that means you won't get any sleep or you won't sleep well that night. If you wake up in the morning and you aren't well rested, that means you're not going to have a good day. And if you don't have a good day, that means you're going to be poor at your work, you're not going to be able to function well, and you'll be super tired. If you're super tired, you might do your work wrong, you might operate your machinery incorrectly or input data wrong, or you might not even do your work at all and fall asleep at your job. If there's noise after 10 p.m. on weekdays, then you won't be able to work well in society. You won't be able to function properly. And neither will your children. If your children don't get the sleep they need, especially the little ones, they will be super cranky in the morning. If they are super cranky in the morning, that means you are going to have a bad day. If you didn't get sleep, if they didn't get sleep, or if you're around someone who has children that didn't get sleep, even if you don't have any of your own, that's going to set you up for a bad day. They're going to be loud, noisy, cry because they didn't sleep enough and they want to go back to sleep. If you value your sleep, you will want there to be no noise after 10 at night because you won't function well. You'll have cranky children running all around in your house, at school, wherever you work. There will be people who can't do their job properly, and if they can't do their job properly, that means that you can't do your job properly. If your children are cranky, that's going to put you in a bad mood, and then you're going to be in a bad mood with everyone else, and then the cycle will continue, a vicious cycle of everyone's tiredness and everyone's crankiness and everyone's inability to do their job right. That's why there needs to be no noise after 10 p.m. Thank you.